My video guide will give you recommendations that will help you to get rid of the online scam associated with two deceptive websites. They are goodmorningwn1.click and the other one is goodmorningwn2.click. So both of these websites are malicious because they try to scare you into downloading certain software. And these websites use pretty misleading techniques, mentioning that your computer is under the risk of being infected with viruses or potentially unwanted programs. So some people, when they see these alerts, may be scared into interacting with these pop-ups. And another problem is that at the first glance, these pop-ups seem to promote some decent software, but then when you start interacting with them or download something that they suggest, you'll realize that they actually promote a totally different software, not the one that was initially advertised on these pages. So obviously this method is absolutely misleading. And another problem is that the occurrence of these pop-ups may be the result of certain adware to be enabled in your computer. So first thing you can do is to research the list of your available applications. Sometimes the unusual browser behavior may be the result of some adware type program active in your computer. So if you locate some suspicious items here on the list, get rid of them, right-click on them and move them to the trash. Pay careful attention to some fake Adobe Flash players. Sometimes they are the adware in reality. So if you see certain fake Flash players here, get rid of them. Another step you need to implement is to check the list of your browser extensions by going to the menu, choose More Tools and Extensions. The unusual browser activity may be explained by certain third-party extensions that may function as adware. So if you find any extensions you are not familiar with, get rid of them. I would also recommend you to carefully research your computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. Download the software and then start researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting the hidden adware or malware, and it will protect your system from all further malware attacks. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. At the end of scan, the program gives you the detailed summary of all the threats that were found during the scanning. Most importantly, you need to pay careful attention to the antivirus section. So you may click on Antivirus tab and then click on Review Results. This will show you the full summary of all the threats that were found during the scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, whether it was the trial or the premium version of the program. The good thing about the trial and the premium version is that you are able to know the location, the exact location of each specific threat on your computer. So the application Combo Cleaner not only gives you the name of the threat, but it also shows you where exactly it is located. For instance, you may choose this specific threat, and then you may click on the special icon that says Show in Finder. So you'll be able to establish the exact presence of threat on your Mac, and you may right-click on it and move it to the trash manually, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove all these threats automatically.